Introducing conical ribbon mix dryer with drying device. Additionally, it can mix and dry powdery or granular material efficiently and contamination-free for the best results in mixing. For the best results in mixing powdery and granular material, placing the helical ribbon blade in the inverse conical is necessary. There are two types of the ribbon box for you to choose. You can either choose the double ribbon or single ribbon depending on your circumstances. Place the jacket on outside of the container depending on whether cold water, hot water, or steam is supplied. Ribbon cone can perform not only mixing but also used for drying, cooling, heating, evaporation, dryness, and chemical reactions. And the vacuum system is also available for this unit. The vessel does not contain a gearbox for turning an agitated axle. This design eliminates concerns about contamination from the oil leaks. The material is carried along the inner wall of the ribbon coil by the helical ribbon blade. The ribbon widens gradually from the bottom to top to ensure the uniform material transport in all sections of the container. The material is lifted up by the ribbon from the bottom to top due to the shape of the ribbon. The density at the bottom is much lower than the density at the top. Therefore, all the granular is pushed up forcefully right away to the top to finish in the circulation inside of the vessel. It leads to an even compound as it discharges. Hot water or steam can be directly put into the vessel with a jacket installed in the wall. Therefore, the ribbon cone can be used as a batch dryer. Take a look at the bottom of the mixer. You've got a discharge valve. The compound can be discharged very quickly, directly into the container. When the vacuum pump is installed on this unit as an optional piece of equipment, the ribbon cone can also be used for the vacuum drying. This characteristic is an idea for the materials containing organic solvents and heat-sensitive materials. We also offer a full lineup of the ribbon cone for the customization. These are all the products can be made by the powder in the daily life. Ceramic plate, glass, cell phones, plastic, and any kind of electron appearance.